Wow, nice light. Red, pink, yellow, purple. Oh, there's more. And green. Now let's open it. Yellow first.
Sticky. So first class is red slime with glitters inside.
Wow, it's so sticky like glue. You hear that?
Yes.
Whoa. Oh, that's so long. Then how do here? Oh, nice slime. Nice slime. Here. This is going to be a hard time for this. It's
Why?
almost. Wait, why it has bubbles like cola? What? What's so long? I'll make it like noodles.
Like noodles.
Why like noodles?
Maybe you have to like
Watch.
knead it like a dough. Do you want mommy to help you kneading it?
Yes.
So it will not stick on your hand.
Wow. Why is there not?
Maybe you have to knead it at first. Like you're going to make a bread or pizza dough. Yeah.
Yeah. It's always sticking. What is sticking in my other hand? Here you go. Here's more here.
Okay. Yeah.
Can take off. White? Wow, it's a white pea.
Yeah. Look at the stars, the glitters. It's so nice.
There's more. That is a lot of slime.
Wiggle, wiggle.
Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wow, look like there's poop. I want poop. Mommy, there's more in my thumb. In my front.
Okay. Now try to hold it.
Okay. It's a little bit sticky in my hands.
Maybe it gets stick on your hand. Because you have to knead like that. Yeah.
Oh, it's not sticking in my hand now.
Yeah.
It's all gone.
So let me try the green.
Wow, it's super long.
So this is the green one.
Yeah, I cannot remove it. Ah, look, I jump rope.
Jumping rope.
Ah, can you remove this? There's a lot now in my hands.
Oh. Here's the green one.
Why sticky?
What happened?
Is this stick like pea? It's not. It. This is sticky. The green one too. Why sticky? All of it is sticky.
Is your hands wet or what?
Yeah. I cannot remove it. Can you make it? Can you make it not sticky? Mommy?
Yes, baby. Wait. I'll help you.
Muna. Wow. All of this is sticky. Oh, look like the white. Look like it's empty.
Yeah.
I'll open all of this.
So, can you try it now?
Why is it not sticky in your hands and it's in mine is sticky?
Okay, can you wipe your hands here? Maybe it's wet. Wipe more. Marpa.
It's not.
Let it dry. Yeah.
Okay.
Can you give it please the white coat? In the pot. Try.
Oh, so it's sticky. I mean,
Yeah, because your hands are wet. Right? That's why. No, it's not sticky.
look
Can
at
you show
me.
me the green part? Oh, it's a nice.
Mine look like
green.
poop. A green poop. I want to have brown color or black. Like Wednesday. Now the other colors, white. Oh, can you do it?
People, can you do it please?
Can you do it, please?
So you can sit for a while.
Oh, it's super nice. Wow, it's clear.
Which color do you like the most?
I like this and this. I like the purple one and the blue.
Yeah.
Wait. Sorry, it's an accident. Like cars. Why accident? Look like cars. Look like guns.
White is nice also.
What?
White. Color white is nice.
Oh, it look like newer when you're doing
yeah.
like that. Wait, I want to see this. It's mirror.
Harish, hello.
Hello.
Where's it? Is it nice?
Yes.
So I like the white. Okay, can you try this now?
Wow, that is sticky. I'm just playing with it.
I'm enjoying it also. Wiggle, wiggle.
Why you just stick in my hand again? I am just playing with it. I just want to play with it. Don't worry, I'm good. I just buy you, di ba nga?
Maybe you have to wipe your hands. What do you think? Ganda niya.
Yes. Can you give me something or what? Why is the whole falling down? Go! I'm letting you go nga.
It doesn't want to go. It wants to stay in your hands.
Forever.
Yeah.
What is this like? Oh! Ah!
Okay, let me help you with this green color.
again.
Wipe your hands po.
There's
Wipe your
more.
hands dry. Okay.
There's more, Mommy.
Like
See?
this. Can you do it?
Like, huh? I'll wipe my hands muna kaya.
Yes po. Wait lang. Wait, let's remove the others from your hands.
Why does maybe the glitters on me? See, it's sticking in my hands. I need to wipe it outside. Can I do it?
Ito tayo. So it's not sticking now, right? Whoa.
Wow.
What color is that one?
Green.
Green.
I want to see the white one.
The white one?
I should like my hand muna. It's not sticky. You do a really good job. I cannot. It's sticking now. Why is it like this? I cannot get it. Please, can you go? Go away. Go. It's super sticky. I cannot do this. Sige. Whoa. Sige. I'm just putting it now. Go home. This is your home, diba? Not my hands. It's not your home. This is your home. Then where's your family then? Right? I should smash it muna. Ganyan. It's not sticky on me now.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Should get this. Wow. No. So it will stick in my hands. You hear that?
Yes.
Oh, do you see that bubble coming on here? Whoa, it's so sticky. Can you please do this?
Take out.
Now the purple.
Purple.
There's some stuff. Some slime is sticking in here. All of it is sticking in my pants now.
So do you like your
Slime. But it's not sticky. Hey, can you do it,
please?
please? Oh, I want pink or red or blue and orange. The purple is so nice.
Yeah.
That's why I like purple. Or violet. Nice. That. But oh, it's going to. need to smash it. Yun. Okay.
Like that. Fold. It's like popsicle.
Wow, what's all this sticking in my hands? Wow, it's a little bit sticky, though. Why all of it is going outside? It's not your home. It's just outside, not your home. This one is your home.
Where is their home?
Here. This one is my home. So, this.
Next
That
color is
blue.
blue.
This is sticky. Oh, nice.
Whoa, nice.
That's why I like blue.
Because
Nice.
which one is your favorite color?
I think that it's much better.
The blue?
Yes. How is sticking on me? In my skin.
Here po.
Thank you, Toy. I should smash it like a dough. Okay, I'm slapping the bread.
It's nice because it has star. Glitter is already inside.
Roll it.
Roll it. Roll it in.
In the blue. Whoa, it's sticky.
How many times did you say the sticky?
Because it's
Sticky
sticky in
words.
my hands. I
The
thought it's
next
not.
one is... What color is the next one?
Orange.
Orange. How
Whoa,
many-
there's a bubble.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
It's getting bigger and bigger.
Uy!
Hey, bubble. That's a big, big bubble.
And this is the color orange. This for you.
Why like sand?
Yeah.
What is color orange and outside? Gold, like coins. Beep, 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 beep.
Is it relaxing when you're playing with the slime?
Yes. You hear that?
Yes. Done with the orange, and next is red.
My friend's favorite color.
Who AJ's favorite color?
She's my friend.
Yeah, he's your cousin.
Cupcake only like blue color. Why is it sticking in my feet?
It's like gummy worm.
Oh, it looks like blood.
Yeah,
Look
like
like
gummy
blood.
worm. What shape is this? Wait,
I know what it is.
what?
A circle. Oh no, it's a heart. It's a heart.
Yeah, it's a heart.
It's a beautiful heart.
Yeah,
I want to make like
it's for you.
look at blood. I'll smack it like flat dough. Nah. And then flip it like a clothes. Wow. Look at the gummy one. Whoa. I did the circle. Now,
The last
I'll
color
pick.
is pink.
Did we use yellow?
Yes,
Oh,
that
yes.
is the first one, right? The last one is color
Pink.
pink.
For girls, I don't like pink because it's bad.
Can you count all of it?
I can.
Okay, can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Good job. So we can open the pink color now. Wow.
It's
There.
beautiful.
Yes.
Because you don't have any hair. I should punch it. So the stars just freeze. Like this. That. And this. And that. Okay. Now roll it. Roll it, roll it. Okay.
And now, we
I'll make it like a jumping rope. Now I should put it in the glass.
it's all nice.
Which one is my more favorite?
I like the white one. I like this. How about you? The
I
blue? Blue?
like the purple and the blue and the red.
Okay.
How about you?
So, I like
The blue, the blue, and
yellow, white, and purple. I like
pink.
it.
And pink.
Yeah, it's nice also.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our button.
Bye. Please subscribe our channel.
Please watch my videos for a whole day.
Bye.
What video did you like the most? Subscribe to our channel.
Click subscribe.
Please subscribe. Bye.